Hi, I'm David Price, Marketing Manager of Camden Door Controls. Welcome to Security Canada. We have a lot of great new products to show you today. I'd like to start with our new two-door access control system. MPROX 2 is an economical two-door standalone system that gives you great functionality at an entry-level price. It features 2,000 users, and there's a USB connection, so you have software for 3800 event audit trail, for easy definition of access groups, and for day, week, and holiday scheduling. We've made it really easy to buy MPROX 2 by packaging the controller and the readers together in one economical price. Camden CX90 series proximity-controlled cabinet locks offers a next-generation solution to securing small cabinets. Camden CX90 series battery-powered proximity cabinet locks feature 50 users per lock. They can be easily installed and programmed without a PC. You have a minimum of 50,000 openings per battery, and there is a low battery audible warning. They come in fail-safe or fail-secure, and there's 3 different latch pin options that are available. Our new line of economy door strikes offer rugged performance and great value for light-duty applications. These strikes are available in mortise and cylindrical lock set models in fail-safe, fail-secure. In addition, we are also introducing a new glass door strike that are ideal for retrofit applications. Camden Door Controls is a unique company. We make products for the access control market, but we're also strong in the control of automatic doors. Our lead product in the automatic door market is our LaserPoint 950 megahertz spread spectrum wireless control system. Camden's new line of LaserPoint fobs includes a 1-button, 2-button, and 4-button fob. These fobs feature up to 300 feet of operation, but what's really cool is the new base that we're offering with them. We've designed this base so that any of the fobs can be easily inserted into the base and snapped into place. And you can use this base for more than just a handheld controller. Turning it over, you can put a visor clip into the base easily, and you can also install a strap that can be used for a wheelchair or on a wrist. Thank you for visiting us at our booth today. For more information about these products, please visit our website at camdencontrols.com.